Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss some of the problems based on equations of motion. Okay, here is the first question. These questions I will give you in the post itself, in the description box or in your WhatsApp group itself. Okay, a moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds by applying brakes. Find initial velocity if retardation is 2 meter per second square. See, while reading this type of question, you have to search for, is there any point that it is starting from rest? If it is starting from rest, you have to give initial velocity equal to 0. There is no point it is starting from rest. So we have to check what is the initial velocity. So it is asked to find initial velocity. So mark down initial velocity as a question mark. We have to find initial velocity. So what are the given things? A moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds. Time is given. Time is equal to 20 seconds by applying brakes. If the retardation is 2 meter per second square. So acceleration is given, but it is retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So we can give 2 minus 2 meter per second square. Be careful. You have to put this minus symbol, otherwise your answer will become false. So when you see a term retardation, you have to put minus symbol. So this is the way to solve the problem. So after getting a question, you have to search for, is there any point, is the body starting from rest? So you have to give u equal to 0. If the body is going to rest, if it is going to rest also, means that final velocity is 0. So it is going to rest, it is brought to rest. So final velocity is 0, and whether the time is given or not, acceleration is given or not. So these things you have to be careful while taking a question, noting down a question. Now we have to find u. Is there any way? V is given, t is given, a is given. Which equations of motion we can use here? Obviously the first one, isn't it? V equal to u plus at. So we have to write, we have equations of motion v equal to u plus at. From equations of motion we have v equal to u plus at. That is u, it's unknown, v is 0, u is unknown, so we can put u itself. A equal to minus 2 and t is equal to 20. So that is, I am writing it here. Okay, 0 equal to u plus minus 2 into 20. What is minus 2 into 20? That is obviously minus 40. So let me rub this plus, let me put minus 40. Plus and minus will become minus. If it is placed together, it will become minus. U minus 40. So now I have to find u. So take this 40, minus 40 to the other side. If you are taking minus 40 to the other side, it will become plus 40. So 40 is equal to u, or we can write u is equal to 40, and its unit, that is very important, it's meter per second. So here is the answer, u equal to 40 meter per second. Isn't it very easy? Just go through the question once more and watch till u equal to 40 meter per second. See, this will not take even a 5 minutes for this section, and you will be getting 3 marks. Very easy question, isn't it? Going to the next section. Okay, let me rub this. An object undergoes an acceleration of 8 meter per second square. So what is given there? A is equal to 8 meter per second square. Starting from rest, what is it? U is equal to 0. Find distance travelled in 1 second. We have to find a distance travelled in 1 second. T equal to 1 second, distance unknown. Which equation we can use? UTAS. These things have to be in that equation. Let me write the equations of motion here. V equal to u plus at, the first one. Second one, S is equal to ut plus half at square. And third one, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So these are the equation. See here, we are not aware of final velocity. What is the final velocity? It is not given to us, and it is not going to rest also. So we don't know final velocity, so we can't take this equation. Now go to the second section. Yes, we have to find s, that is right. U is given, yes, t is given, next one half, a is given, t is given, so we can use that equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So we can write, we can substitute the values. U equal to 0, so 0 into t which is equal to 0, so this term get cancelled, it becomes 0. 0 into any number is 0. Okay, it's very easy now. Half at square, half into a is equal to 8 meter per second square, half into 8 into t square. What is t? T is equal to 1, t square is equal to again 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So this get cancelled, the balance is half into 8. Into 1 we can cancel, because any number into 1 is the same. 1 by 2 into 8 we can cancel. 4, what is the unit? Meter. S is equal to 4 meter. Isn't these two very easy? See, once again I am reading the question. An object undergoes an acceleration of 8 meter per second square. First point to note down, acceleration is equal to 8 meter per second square. Starting from rest, the next point to note down, u equal to 0. Find distance travelled in 1 second. We have to find distance to point to note down, time is 1 second. And when we check these equations, we find that we don't know about v. So that two equations we can't consider. So only the central equation, that is s equal to ut plus half at square. So when we substitute the values in that equation, we get the answer very easily. Okay, right. Let us move to the next question. Okay. Just give me some time for writing the question. Oh, no problem. The next question is, a body is accelerating at a constant rate of 10 meter per second square. If the body starts from rest, how much distance it will cover in 2 seconds. Oh, okay, right. Sorry for the lag. Let us read the question. A body is accelerating at a constant rate of 10 meter per second square. First point to note down, the acceleration is 10 meter per second square. If the body starts from rest, the next point to note down, u equal to 0. How much distance will it covers in 2 seconds? Distance is not given, time is 2 seconds. Again the same type of question, isn't it? So which equation will we use? S equal to ut plus half at square, s equal to u into t, u equal to 0, that term get cancelled, so only we have to take half at square. S equal to ut plus half at square, so first term get cancelled, and the next one half, a is equal to 10 into t square. T is 2, t square means 4. Let us cancel this 5. 5 into 4, 20 meter. S equal to 20 meter is the answer. Okay, right. Let's move to the next question. Okay, there is 3 cases in this question. This question is a little more interesting. A car acquires a velocity of 72 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. I think this question I have given you as a task. Anyway, let me continue. Starting from rest, find acceleration B, average velocity C, distance traveled. Let me write it as short. Distance traveled. Okay. So here is 3 sub questions. Whether any other details are given? No, not at all. So see here. A car acquires a velocity of 72 km per hour in 10 seconds. So here 72 km per hour in 10 seconds starting